Hello everybody, showing you what the result of 2 days and 2 nights of snow is in Vermont. This is the street I live on. See all the big snow banks that they use for pushing the snow, looking for some place. And then there we have Frankie. Come on, Frankie. He does not necessarily like the snow because his paws bleed. Come on, buddy. He's still cute, though. So this is the driveway. Snow, we're talking about show up. Amazing amount of snow. My bird feeders. I have to jump in there. Got one to refill. And I'll come back and fill that one. Then we have Frankie. Come on, boy. So once you get over not having to drive anywhere, which I never do anymore, but this is the backyard. And you can see, okay, ready to go in. This is how we carve out spots for Frankie to go. But you can see, boy, if I had to go down there right now, there'd be a lot of snow to shovel to get down there. But this is our yard, which Frankie will love as soon as the weather warms up. There's my Adirondack chairs. You're welcome to come have a seat if you'd like. Happy Sunday from Vermont, snowy Vermont.